how to upload Capcut templates to TikTok. If you want to upload a Capcut template to TikTok, like let's say I have this template created over here, I'm simply going to go ahead and save this template that I have to my device. So as you can see, it just goes ahead and exports, and it doesn't take a lot of time. So we're just going to want to wait for it to fully go through and fully export all of its means. And obviously, all it requires is to not close CapCut or lock your screen, because that will cancel the upload. So let's just wait for it to get to 100%. And obviously, when it's done, as you can see, you can actually share this template that you've created to your TikTok. So you can either click it from here and click on share to TikTok, or so that means you can directly share this to your TikTok profile, or what you can do is you can just download it onto your device. I'm gonna go ahead and share it directly to TikTok, because it's just much more convenient, much more quicker, and you don't really have to save it onto your device when you are doing things like this onto your CapCut. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna take you to the actual CapCut editor, and look at this. It uploaded the actual video that I want, just like this, and you're gonna click on next and everything, and the upload is gonna be complete. That's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.